to a McDonald's. May I take your order?
Hey, how you doing? Um, uh, um, them sausage biscuit, does it come with the gravy or without the gravy?
Excuse me?
Them sausage biscuits, does it come with it the gravy or without the gravy?
We don't have any biscuits right now.
What time y'all stop selling them?
We're not a 24-hour store.
You think that no my Bojangles up there will have them?
Excuse me?
There we go, Bojangles. They'll have them.
I don't know.
Bartle do.
Yeah, they do.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.